so glad you're here. Welcome to Healing to Elevate. My name is Savannah, and today we are talking about affiliate marketing. Stay tuned to the end where I tell you how you can earn $500 with just 5 people using your link. Okay, so what is affiliate marketing? It's when you recommend a product or a service and people use your link to purchase it and you earn a commission off of that or a percentage of each sale. So affiliate marketing isn't going anywhere. Big brands like Nike, Lululemon, and Legos even are starting to use affiliate marketing because it's way more cost effective and people want to buy from people they know and trust, which could be a bigger influencer or a neighbor. So this is why it is so valuable to start in on this early, especially with a company like Amare. So their mental wellness products fit the need of like 1 in 4 people. So you want to have a product that has a social need that you feel strongly about and you use yourself and would recommend. So it's super easy to get started with affiliate marketing in Amare. You can buy any pack and upgrade your account for $70, or if there's a promo, I'll put it down below for a free upgrade. They frequently run free upgrades, and we have an amazing number of customers turn brand partners because the products are that good and the compensation plan is that good. So the compensation plan, very high level. I'll break it down in another video, but you can, it's dual-sided. So dual-sided means you can either just run it as an affiliate or you can decide to grow a team as well. So right now we're just talking about the affiliate portion. You can join. As soon as you join, you get a link to share with your friends. By sharing that link with 5 people, so 5 people buy Happy Juice on Subscribe and Save, you will earn a bonus called Focus on 5. So you're earning nearly 100% commissions, $500 on 5 orders. That can be from the first month you start your business to like 2 years in. There's no time limit. It's not like the first 90 days. You can do that repetitively every single month. And then my other favorite is if someone orders between the 1st and 15th of the month, you earn a free product credit. So this allows you to try new products and to even share it with friends or stock up on something that you might have been ordering anyway. So those are my 2 favorite bonuses: the Focus on 5 for $500 a month, no strings attached, and then the free product if you just share with 1 person. So if you would like a link to get started, you can look in the description below or get in touch with me on Instagram, Healing to Elevate, TikTok, Healing to Elevate, email me, healingtoelevate@gmail.com, or put a comment below. But I'm so happy you're here, and let's get to making that money.